Let's begin this bulletin with the big breaking news coming in. There is a hearing going on in the National Herald case in the Rouse Avenue Court in New Delhi. And it seems the heat is increasing on the Gandhis in this case. Although the Delhi court has issued notices to Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi in this matter and has said that the accused have the right to be heard and a fair trial. The case is being made against them under pmla, and it seems the ED had also submitted that they do not have an objection to a notice being issued, and now the court has clearly stated that the accused have the right to be heard at any point in time during the trial, and the next hearing should be on May 8th. Let us tell you that this entire matter was being heard by a Delhi court, which is the Rouse Avenue Court. And during this, a notice has been issued to Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. And it is said that before the matter of cognizance is taken up, before the charge sheet is taken under cognizance, the accused shall be heard. So notice has been issued to both the Gandhis, that is Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi in this matter. For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Shrishti Ojha is joining us with more on this now. Shrishti, can you tell us what exactly the court said regarding issuing of the notices?
Well, as we know, last month the Enforcement Directorate had filed a prosecution complaint, a charge sheet against Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and others in the National Herald case. The court had to hear arguments on the aspect of cognizance. Once cognizance is taken, summons are issued to the accused. However, on last occasion, we saw the ED's counsel point out that under the BNSS, under the new law, there's a provision which requires the accused to be heard even before cognizance is taken. We saw ASG SV Raju ask court to consider issuing the notice, so later any objection is not raised on behalf of the accused. Today, the court considered that aspect, and the court has in fact issued notice to Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and other proposed accused to be heard on the question of cognizance of the charge sheet filed against them. They would basically get to argue whether or not cognizance of the charge sheet filed against them needs to be taken or not. We saw the court also make some important remarks about the right of the accused to be heard and also right to fair trial. The court has today said that Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, a notice needs to be issued to Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, and they deserve to be heard under their right to fair trial and right to be heard before cognizance is taken against them. We also saw the court point out that their ED, the Enforcement Directorate, the agency, will in no way come to any detriment if they are heard on point of cognizance. Also saying that the right to be heard in this case is not inconsistent with any of the powers of ED or any provisions of the PMLA Act. According to court, the right to be heard, which forms a very important part of right to be fair, right to a fair trial, should be liberally applied to PMLA provisions as well. So this is quite an important order that we have seen come from Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court today. The next date of the hearing is 8th May, when basically the accused, in this case being Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and others, can now appear through their lawyers and argue on the point of cognizance and whether or not cognizance needs to be taken against them in this case or not. Back to you.
Right. Thank you, Shrishti, for all that update. So clearly the court there indicating that a notice will be sent to Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi and their right to be heard will be upheld.